Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to create your first group on Groupify. Groupify is a platform that enables creators to create either a one-time paid group or a subscription-based group on WhatsApp and Telegram. So what this means is that for a one-time paid group, instead of having to share your account number with various people and adding people manually to your WhatsApp or Telegram group, you can now share your Groupify link, have people pay, and then join your community automatically. For subscription based groups, instead of tracking everybody's payment manually every week or month, people can now join your group whenever, and when their subscription ends, they are reminded to make a payment. If they don't, they are automatically removed from your group. Once you register and your account gets approved, this is what your own page on Groupify will look like. The next step is to click on create group, and we'll be creating your first group together in this video. Before we begin, you might need to get important information like your display picture, the platform you want to create your group on, your group description, and the pricing for your group ready before we do this. So once you create on this create group, the first step will be to fill in basic details about your group. The information that you provide here is what will be used to generate your sales page. So the first thing is to select your photo, which will be used as your profile picture on your group. And next, you select if this is a paid group or a free group. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using paid group. The next step is to fill in your group name and your group description. Like I mentioned earlier, your group name and description is what people are going to see on your sales page when they try to join your group. And please note that for now, you cannot edit your group name and description. So as much as possible, be sure about them before you proceed to use them. The next thing is to input a welcome message. And this is optional. Either use a welcome message or not. The next step is to choose the category where your group falls into. For this group, I'm going to be choosing the education and the training. The maximum number of categories that you can select is 2. For your community type, this is where you decide if you'll be using a WhatsApp group, a Telegram group, or a Telegram channel. And since we are creating this for a Telegram group, we'll be using a Telegram group. So the features of a Telegram group is that it fits up to 200,000 people. New members have access to old messages. It's ideal for large groups, and you can disable or enable messages from users. So once you do this, you can proceed to click next. The next page is where you have to input the payment details concerning your group. If you are creating a one-time group, you can put in your price here. But if you are looking to create a subscription group where people can either pay daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly, you have to choose the subscription option. So you can decide to use all of these options or choose 2 or more of these. So you can decide that you want your group members to either pay only weekly or to pay monthly or to pay only quarterly. So you can select as many as you want here. So for the purpose of this, I'll be selecting the weekly, monthly, and quarterly. So here you input how much you want people to pay every week. So 1,000. The grace period here signifies the number of days that people can stay on your group once their subscription ends. So for example, if somebody's subscription ends on the 25th, they are not automatically removed from the group if you use a grace period of 2 days. which means they will now be removed from the group on the 27th rather than on the 25th, giving them a grace period of 2 days to make payments. Same thing with the monthly. I'm going to be using 4,000 and a grace period of 2 days. For quarterly, I'm going to be using 12,000 and a grace period of 2 days. Then I can select next. So this is one of the most important stages in creating your Telegram group. First, you have to update your privacy settings. This way, we'll be able to automatically add you to your group. And then you select next once you've done that. So the next step here is to verify your Telegram number. And this is a one-time step. To verify your Telegram number, you can either scan this QR code, press the QR code, or copy this link and paste it on your browser. I am going to be scanning the QR code with my phone. And for this to be successful, you have to be redirected to a Groupify bot where you can now finally start your group. Once you have done this successfully, confirm here that you have verified your Telegram number by following the instructions above, and then you can click next. Now that you are done verifying your account and clicking next, this is what you are going to see on your Groupify screen. You're going to see your group created here. And on your Telegram account, you're going to notice a new group that has been created with all the details you put in here. To see more details about your group here, all you need to do is to just click on view details. And here you can see the link. You can see the link to your sales page. You can see where to edit your group. You can see where to input FAQs and where to input reference files. And then you can also see the stats about your group, your members, the payments that have been made, your affiliates, and then the people that tried to join your group but did not join successfully. That's it for this video.